Looking for a compact, powerful tool that gets the job done without the bulk? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini chainsaws of 2026. These mini chainsaws are perfect for quick cutting tasks, yard work, and DIY projects, offering a great balance of performance, portability, and value. We've compared features, build quality, battery performance, and overall reliability to help you choose the best option for your needs. All the product links are listed in the description below, so you can easily check the latest prices and deals. 5. Hoptow MR6504. Upgrade your yard work with this lightweight, well-balanced cordless mini chainsaw designed for effortless one-hand control and reduced wrist fatigue. Powered by a high-efficiency motor, it delivers smooth, steady cuts through branches up to 6 inches without forcing or strain, making pruning faster and safer. The long-lasting rechargeable battery with built-in overload and temperature protection keeps you working longer on gardens, storm cleanup, or weekend DIY projects. With multiple safety features, a non-slip grip, and a complete accessory kit, it's easy to use and comfortable for homeowners and gardeners alike. Simple, powerful, and gift-ready, this mini chainsaw makes a perfect Father's Day, birthday, Christmas, or housewarming gift for dads, husbands, grandpas, and anyone who enjoys getting things done around the yard. 4. T-Talk MNCS 118. Meet the T-Talk 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw, a compact powerhouse built for fast, safe, and effortless cutting. Powered by an upgraded 880-watt pure copper motor, it delivers a blazing 28.6 feet chain speed, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. The automatic chain oiling system keeps cuts smooth and efficient all day with less wear, while 2 high-capacity 20 to 21-volt batteries with charge indicators ensure longer runtime and reliable performance. Designed with 5 layers of safety protection, including a security lock, safety baffle, anti-cut gloves, non-slip handle, and goggles, this mini chainsaw puts safety first. Backed by a 365-day warranty and FCC certification, and packed in a portable combo kit with spare chains, guide plates, and charger. It's perfect for garden work, DIY projects, or outdoor tasks, and makes an ideal gift for homeowners, gardeners, and DIYers alike. 3. Our SK106K01. Looking for the perfect stocking stuffer or practical gift for dad, mom, friends, gardeners, DIYers, or woodworkers? The Soccer Mini Chainsaw packs serious power into a lightweight, cordless design that's easy for anyone to handle. With a 2025 upgraded pure copper motor, it delivers fast, smooth cuts for trimming branches, cutting firewood, or small woodworking projects. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's ultra-portable and women-friendly, with no cords or gas hassles. Safety features like a lock button and splash guard add peace of mind, while the long-lasting rechargeable battery keeps you working longer. Complete with all essential accessories, this 6-inch mini chainsaw is a reliable, powerful, and thoughtful gift that makes yard work and DIY projects quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. 2. CY MNCS 118. Power through your cutting jobs faster and easier with the CPI 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw, featuring an upgraded 880-watt pure copper motor that delivers an impressive 28.6 feet per cent cutting speed, slicing through 6-inch logs in just 8 seconds. Designed for both home and professional use, it combines high efficiency with comfort thanks to its lightweight, one-hand-friendly design that's ideal for women, seniors, and anyone working in tight spaces. The built-in auto oil filling system keeps the chain smoothly lubricated all day with minimal effort, while 2 high-capacity 21-volt rechargeable batteries provide up to 40 minutes of continuous cutting. With 5 layers of safety protection, a complete accessory kit, and a 24-month worry-free warranty, the CPI Mini Chainsaw is a powerful, portable, and reliable tool you can trust for trimming branches, cutting logs, and tackling everyday outdoor tasks with confidence. 1 CCCH 500. Meet the CC 6-inch mini cordless chainsaw, a lightweight yet powerful tool designed for effortless one-handed use at just 2.62 pounds, making it perfect for beginners, gardening, pruning, and wood cutting in tight spaces. Powered by a strong motor and 2 2.0 amp-hour batteries, it can slice through logs up to 5.91 inches in only 8 seconds, delivering impressive speed and efficiency without the bulk of traditional chainsaws. The chainsaw comes fully assembled, requires only simple tension adjustment, and includes smart battery protection for longer lifespan and safer use. With a complete accessory kit, portable suitcase, and 24/7 after-sales support, it's ready to work right out of the box and makes an excellent, practical gift for fathers or husbands on Father's Day or any special occasion. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best mini chainsaws for 2026. Whether you're looking for something compact for pruning, DIY projects, or light yard work, one of these options should be a perfect fit for your needs. If you want to check the latest prices and full specs, you'll find all the product links down in the description below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.